Hey everyone, today we're going to do something different. Instead of making a drink for you guys like our coffee videos, we're going to go to Starbucks and try the new Khloé Kardashian secret menu. And also try some of her Khloud popcorn together. A part of her secret menu is putting protein in coffee, which how would protein powder in coffee work? It just doesn't seem right to me, but we'll find out. Also, who eats popcorn with coffee? I mean, I can understand having some chocolate or something, but popcorn? All right, well, here's Starbucks. Let's go inside and check it out. So the secret recipe is a grande iced vanilla latte. And then what you do is you add an extra shot of espresso, and you've got a substitute for blonde espresso. And then you top it with vanilla protein cold foam. All right, you guys got that? This drink naturally comes with a double shot of espresso, and you're adding one. So this is a triple shot of espresso, and you substitute it with Starbucks blonde roast, then the protein foam. So this is like, in my opinion, a caffeine bomb. That's massive caffeine. Since it's light roast, it probably won't taste, you know, like very heavily in the coffee flavor, but we'll see. So let's check it out. It's delicious. It's very sweet. And I have to say it is delicious. I was wondering about how protein is going to taste with coffee, and I don't know if I need to mix it first or something to get that protein foam in there, or maybe if I just try some of the foam. The foam basically tastes like whipped cream. It doesn't have that protein kind of synthetic taste to it. It actually tastes good. So I'm pleasantly surprised. I was expecting protein and coffee to totally not work together at all, but it tastes great. And it's very delicious. So, Khloé, you did a good job. So next, let's check out the Khloud protein popcorn. Sweet and salty kettle corn, 7 grams of protein. And I wonder if that's per bag or what? Per serving. So, and this is 1.5 servings. So that means it is 10.5 grams of protein in this whole bag. And what makes this protein popcorn? And the ingredients are popcorn, milk, protein, isolate, cane sugar, olive oil, coconut oil, and mineral salt, which is pink Himalayan salt and potassium salt. So the ingredients are good, and at least the oils are good. I wish it was organic popcorn, but you know, sometimes you can't have everything, right? Well, let's try it. Smells good. Looks like regular popcorn. Kind of almost like buttered popcorn. Okay, let's try some. It's kind of like mildly sweet popcorn, but it has this like powdery texture to it. Maybe that's from the protein powder, I'm not sure. It says milk protein isolate. I don't know if isolate means it's a powder or what.
Salt-free?
I don't really taste the salt. It's almost like as if you had cheese powder on it, but it's not a cheesy flavor. It's kind of a sweet flavor. And at least it still doesn't taste like one of those protein bars. You know, when you eat those protein bars and it has that kind of like fake synthetic flavor to it. It doesn't taste like that at all. It actually tastes good. It's a good combination together. It doesn't taste salty, but you kind of know it's there in the background. And when you combine it with this, it really complements it. And I could see how these together could be very addictive. So if you do buy this, be very careful because you may be coming back to Starbucks every day to get it. I'm not sure if Khloé's having this for breakfast or if she's just skipping meals and having this as like a meal replacement. I don't really know, but I guess if it was a meal replacement, I don't know what the calories is in this. This is 150 calories, but this, I have no idea what this is. If you guys know how many calories this is, please leave it in the comment section below. I'm glad I tried it. It was fun.
Hi, doggy.
Hello, doggy.
Is it okay if I take it?
Hello.
She's so cute. So cute. What type of dog is she?
He's the friendliest little guy I've ever
Yeah,
had.
yeah, she's great. He's great.
Teddy.
Teddy.
Is it Maltese? Maltese?
He's on a diet.
Poor guy.
Hi, little boy. Oh, you're so sweet. We love you. We love you. We love you.
Oh, he eats this up, boy.
Mm-hmm.
You not come with Mama?
Ah, he knows.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So if you're curious, the drink costs $9.50. And I don't know about you, but I feel like that's pretty expensive. All right. And the popcorn is $2.95. I didn't mention this earlier, but the bag itself has 7.5 grams of sugar, which is almost 2 teaspoons because it's 4 grams of sugar per teaspoon. So it's almost there to 2 teaspoons of sugar. For me, for it to be perfect, it would be really 4 grams of sugar, which would be 1 teaspoon, and it would be organic popcorn. So if you could make that happen, Khloé, that would be great. Most importantly, try to get the organic popcorn. But it's still better than using palm oil or canola oil or having a ton of sugar.
Bye, Starbucks.
I have to say that I would never think popcorn and coffee would go together, but it works. And it's better than I expected, so if you haven't tried it yet, I recommend you trying it.